I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. No. Ah! Get him. No. I'm feeding. I wanted it too much. I wanted it too much. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, maybe play a little more safely. There's no need. Oh, but I mean, if you are like, okay, yeah. Oh, they're squishy. They're a little bit squishy, but so am I. Ooh, I just want to laser leave them. I missed. Oh, don't get greedy. Don't get greedy, Ghastly. Don't get greedy. He got greedy. That's okay. I understand. I'm also greedy. Should I just be the... Oh no, I missed! The carry who just AFKs in the jungle for the whole game and does not help. That's why I play support, because I feel too bad if I'm just farming. Let's actually go use your ult or something. Wait, am I good? Did I do that? Was that me? Oh, I missed. No, I didn't. Oh, was that me? Did I do that? No way. Oh, no. No. I'm dead. My points! Ah! My points! I wanted to dunk. I didn't dunk. My points. My points! Another 0-point game. No, I'm the MVP. I scored the most points. And I killed the Rotom. Ah! My points. It's okay, I'm still having fun. And how about we use my ultimate? I don't know what it does. But that was close. You're getting a lot of gamer noises today, huh? Just a little bit. Why are we all so scared? Oh, I see. Because they're all here and we're about to die. I'm dying! 0 points. 0 points. 0 points. 0 points game! Ah! We're really struggling. Oh no! I don't think I'm gonna score. I have to. Please. I have to. Where are they? They're dead! Maybe I can score! Maybe it's not a 0 points game! Wow. Confirmed points! Confirmed! Not 0 points! It's okay, because I scored 82. That's right. And now we're dead for a while. Confirmed, contributed. The bees! Oh, they did get Zapdos. Oh no! Ah! Ah! Plus 100! No! Mwah. got the MVP. Carried, confirmed. Confirmed carried. MVP. MVP. Here, I'll give everyone a good job. Even though we lost. The enemy team too. Good job.